Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet and cushy. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet and cushy. I'm talking wop, wop, wop.
What's up, Curls Crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am K Curls. Today I am going to be showing you guys Cardi B's Avocado mask. Okay, y'all? When I tell y'all this thing has changed my life. No, really, it hasn't changed my life, but it really is good, and I definitely will use this again. But this is just my hair styled after. So if you guys would like to see this, please stay tuned.
Avocado, and I just finished putting the Argan Oil. I'm gonna put mayonnaise, castor oil, olive oil. I know it's a lot of oil, but my baby hair gotta be really hydrated like mine. And I'm about to put egg and honey.
Okay guys, so here are all of the products that you will need for this mask. There wasn't really any measurement that Cardi followed, so I am just going to follow the consistency of what she did. She started with 1 avocado, so I just cut that up and added that in there. I gave a good squeeze of argan oil. She threw in 1 big chunky scoop of that mayo, and I put in about 2.5 small squirts of honey. I put in 1 full egg and 5 squeezes of the black castor oil, because she definitely put 5 squeezes in there. And then the last thing was that 1 banana. Mix it all together, and like Cardi said, get them nutriments in your hair. So next, I just sectioned off my hair so that it would be easier to apply this mixture. And then I just slightly detangled, and then I am just gonna go in lathering that into my hair, completely covering every single thing. And then I am going to take my brush and detangle it in between, pin that up, and continue the same exact process until I am finished all of my head. So I am gonna let this finish recording, and then I will see you guys as soon as I am done. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like 3 hours later. Still has a little bit green. Still looks good. But I did have this cap on, so I left that on there for 3 hours. And now I am going to wash it out. See you soon. This is what I was left with after I just detangled it. So it actually came out really, really super soft. I fell asleep last night. I really should have recorded the curls that I woke up with, but I did just wet my hair over again and just roughly detangle it. So that's CARDI. My hair feels super moisturized. That avocado and the egg, the protein in it, definitely pulled out any old product that was left in my hair. I will say it feels so much lighter. I wasn't expecting that. But then I'm just going to style this per usual, okay guys? So you can watch me style it. I am just going to speed that part up and then it's over. I just pretty much styled my hair for the day. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so you never miss when I drop a new video. And as always, thank you guys for watching.